In this video, we'll be showing you how to enable Help Me Write in Gmail. We're going to open a new tab and we're going to input the address. So we're going to put in this address, workspace.google.com/labs-sign-up. So it's workspace.google.com/labs-sign-up. So if you use this address and you enter, it's going to show you to sign up to express interest in joining Google Workspace Labs, and we're going to scroll down. And of course, we're going to have to read all of this and click on submit. So now we're in, you now have access to Workspace Labs. So we're going to go to our email and refresh that page. So after refreshing our Gmail, you can see collaborate with Gemini in Gmail. So we're going to click on got it. And now in trying to compose a new message, you can now see the Help Me Write in Workspace Labs. So when we click on it, we could ask it to write anything. So we've given the AI something to write for us. Help me write a proposal for a web app called CapLink that helps users organize links, be concise and persuasive. So we're going to click on create. And in a few moments, you now have a proposal that you can read through to help speed up your work. So this is how to enable Help Me Write in Gmail.